We're live and in living color. Shout out to everybody watching this on the replay on YouTube or Facebook, wherever you're watching it from. But this is the Friday Live brought to you by the Hood. I'm your host as always. My name is Jimmy, my partner in crime, Corey. What's up, bro?
What's really good?
Hey, man, can't complain, man. Well, I can complain because, you know what I'm saying? Back in Philadelphia, you know what I'm saying? I could tell air smells like murder, carjackings, and Wawa. But we here, though. What's up with you, bro? How you been?
Man, I've been doing all right, man. I'm trying to get my sea legs under me when it comes to a few things, man. I'm trying new stuff.
That's always good.
But besides that, man, like, the options trading going all right. I hit a lick on Monday. I hit QQQ calls.
Mm-hmm.
Even though the market was decidedly red after, but I hit mine in the morning when the market was decidedly up.
Yo, what's crazy is I had a bunch of those Walmart 140s, and I cashed out on a bunch of them at 20 when they went up 20s. It was like a little past 20%, 24%. Just because I didn't have OCO set, and I don't want to be sitting there staring at it, so I traded some of them, and I traded half of them, cashed out. But then the other ones that I had left kind of reversed on me. So now I'm like down on those, waiting for it to come back. I still think that's a good play because I got it out to the middle of January. But it is what it is. Denise is here. What's up, Denise? How are you?
Jose's really good.
Jose, what's good, family? Jamil's here. What's up? Dash here. What's up, Dash? GC is in the building. What's up, GC? How you? For the folks here, do me a favor, man. Please do me a favor. Hit the like button, love button, or something. Just hit something. You dig?
Yeah, I smashed this.
Legend. Jabbar, what's good, family?
Yo, what's good?
Jabbar, man. The islands were amazing, man. You know what I'm saying? Definitely had a ball. Can't wait to go back. I mean, the funny thing is I already, booked I go every December. Well, I did up until 2020 when, everything changed, but I go every December. So next December is already booked. You know what I mean? Next December is already booked, but it is what it is. Latoya, what's up, Latoya? Peace, Ishmael, peace.
That's my guy.
Yeah, man. He was talking about that was funny this week when everybody's trust wallet went crazy.
Yeah, that
was all billionaires.
My joint had 22 billion in it. I was like, ho.
Yeah, I told you I tweeted it out. The funniest part about that was like seeing everybody share their screenshots and seeing some of the crazy ish y'all got in your wallets. Y'all really out here wilding, right? Y'all out here living crazy, man.
Yo, my trust wallet had 2 coins in it, so mine wouldn't have been the.
No, but y'all had some stuff, boy.
Like, I was like, some people had like these like diamonds.
Stuff I never heard of, but what's funny
diamonds
is
and pearls coin and all kinds of crazy stuff. Like,
it's almost like all you gotta do is create something and put Inu next to it, and you can make some bread
and let it go crazy.
Let it go crazy. I'm sitting there like, folks is really out here running scams. Everybody know they running scams, but people are chasing lottery tickets so much that they willing to scam with you. Like, let's all scam together, see if we can get this quick pump and dump. So all y'all scamming. But I'm like, the folks that are making it are running off with the bag because when y'all pump it up, they're gonna get their bread out. Somebody can get hold. It's crazy, man. I saw some wild stuff.
Well, the love potion with
Chad said it was good.
That's not really a scam, Jim, right? So the love potion is part of the game. It's part of the what's the big game, John? The
Axie?
Axie. That's an Axie Infinity, John.
Yeah, I'm not into that either, so I wouldn't know about that. But I'm talking
just saying, I only know it because
some of them Enus, dog. It was like, it was all kinds of Enus. It was like, it wasn't Shiba Inu, it was everybody else's Inu.
I mean, listen, everybody riding the.
We need to create an FOH Inu token.
I mean, if that's what people want to buy,
FOH Inu.
Even though I don't really want to do nothing like that because
neither do I. I
don't really want to shoot people pockets like that. But I mean, people really out here doing the most.
I like. Listen, I respect our guy Tyrone. Tyrone was like, look, these are my lottery tickets. Like he's no qualms about it. He's being honest with you. Said these coins are starting to feel like a pyramid scheme. So these coins have been a pyramid scheme.
Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. It was starting.
Yeah, they are. 95% of them have been a pyramid scheme. I remember back in the ICO days, it was all kinds of pyramid schemes.
Yeah, that was a mess.
Yeah, it was a definite mess. And it was so many projects that folks would like you argue you about. And they just like went to zero. And I used to be laughing like, shh, man, listen, man. It's so many of them though. So many, it's too many to name. It's too many to name. Jabbar is laughing. Dontre, hey, what's going on, family?
What it is though.
Hey, Joya, what's up, Joya? How you feeling? The missus is in the building.
Yep. Brianna, what's going on? The glue.
The glue is here. Oh man, we got some folks pulling up. Jason is here. What's up, Jason? Inu, more from the hard fork. Listen, man, we gonna hard fork something and create our own Inu. Something crazy. Yeah, something crazy, man. Because I saw all the crazy Inus, you know, were popping up though. But other than that, man, how else was your week, man? Like any other good investments or trades? Anything you did?
I mean, as far as investments, I was you know, I'm waiting on the deed to a couple cribs, man. Just to be honest, once I get them deeds from the from the sources that I'm supposed to get those deeds from, I was going right back into the streets. I'll be calling our guy Jabbar.
Hey Jabbar, listen, Corey said he got some cribs coming your way, Jabbar.
Yeah. So when once I get these deeds, me and Jabbar gonna have a talk. I'm just the state's slow though. I ain't even gonna lie.
Jabbar, you've been put on notice right now, Jabbar. We got get them buyers ready.
Get them buyers ready.
10% yearly APYs. Listen, man, this is what's out here in these streets, man. I've been doing a bean on my Bitcoin for a while. Like literally over the last like year and a half, I've been getting a bean on Bitcoin. But yo, let me show y'all something real fast though.
I was about to go down.
Yeah, I'm drawing, but we ain't gonna be here long today. But I'm drawing. I want to show something real quick though, because I remember the ICO days. For the folks that wasn't here, man. As of 12/12/2021, there's 1,686 dead coins. There's nothing being done. So let's look at this real fast. OX Bitcoin Cash, 1 coin, 1 credit, 2 CH coin, 300. Like these are all projects that people actually put their money into.
2 Chainz coin.
Aiden. It's page after page of this stuff. That's why I laugh when people try to tell me about all these crazy projects. I'm like, yo, I keep a running count. There's a running count out there. People will argue down about these projects too. Argus coin. Arion. I remember Arion. I remember that one. Arrow. Remember that one too. Look at this one. Ass pennies. Ass token. And before you laugh, people were putting money on it.
Yeah.
People were putting money on this stuff. So it's gonna be a bunch of E-news in here soon. And by the way, I'm still on the A's and I'm on page 4. But
just so you know.
Baby coin, bacon bits coin, bad coin, badger coin. I remember badger coin.
Yeah.
Bank for you. Barbecue coin, base coin. All right, but you guys get the point. I'm not gonna sit here and belabor this. But it's close to 1,700 projects that people put money in that are no longer in existence. And this is going to be, so I want you to remember this because I'll probably show this next December. Right now we at 1,686. We might hit 2K by next year. But this thing keeps adding up and adding up and adding up. In fact, when we looked at this, we went over this in part 1 of our crypto course. We were showing some of these projects. And I think at the time it was a little over 1,000.
Yeah.
Now we damn near at 1,700. So, it's a bunch of dead coins in there. You know what I mean? Like, see? He got millions. He forgot me. No, Jabbar, remember, he's laughing. That means 1 coin. That means you remember 1 coin. Yeah, 1 coin was that. Was in fact the person that was operating 1 coin. What's her name? Dr. Ruja or something like that. She was on a run. I don't know if they found her yet. These nuts still around. Like, that definitely was one. I mean, I wonder if they found her yet. Like from 1 coin, she definitely like went on a run after getting billions.
I
think that was her name, Dr. Ruja. Dr. Ruja. And she like ran the bag up, taking everybody's money with that 1 coin. All right. Let me show y'all something real quick. This to show y'all what they be doing with y'all money when y'all chase these lottery tickets. This is what they be doing. They got her penthouse. They can't find her though, but here's a 13.5 million pound penthouse right here. Dr. Ruja Ignatova, that was her name. Yeah, I remember her, yo. She got busy. She got busy and stole
and ran off ran off on the plug.
I don't know if they found her yet, like, you know what I mean, but you know, look, she got plates with her face on it. Dr. Ruja was out here balling with y'all OneCoin money. Indoor pool. She got the indoor pool.
Indoor lap pool. She didn't even just got a regular indoor pool.
Yeah, she go right there. Yeah, that's Dr. Ruja. Look, Dr. Ruja's whereabouts are unknown, but the missing crypto. Yo, in fact, there's a podcast. Yo, look up the podcast. I think it's called The Crypto Queen or something like that. But look up a podcast on Dr. Ruja. Yo, Dr. Ruja was responsible for OneCoin, and she ran off with all y'all money. So, you know, just understand that this is what happens. I'm just warning y'all.
You ain't gotta take the warnings. Do your thing.
Hey, GC, man, I told you, man, I ain't saying nothing bad about Algorand. I don't want you clapping at me, man. Was she a real doctor? Is Dr. Dre a real doctor? I mean, it all depends upon who you are. Doctor. Yeah. All right, that's the name of the podcast. Thank you, Ishmael. The Missing Crypto Queen. I think that's the name of that pod right there. She definitely ran off on the plug twice. Yo, man, I'm definitely back from paradise right now, Mark. This is not a recording. We are absolutely live. I'm back from my fake homeland of Jamaica, but I am in the building. This is not a recording. I'm here live. Unfortunately. Was this an episode of Greed? I don't know if this was on American Greed, but I just remember it when it happened because OneCoin had like an MLM kind of aspect to it. And I remember folks just trying to recruit me. I'm like, yo, leave me alone with that. And then when this here's the craziest part about it, right? The craziest part about the whole OneCoin thing. I just showed you guys articles talking about her missing, them finding all her assets, and how it was a big scam. It's on that list. It's not a supported project anymore. It's a complete scam. It's been proven to be a complete scam in a court of law. People still have people that will tell you that the project is coming back. Everybody's hating. The government's hating. People are hating. You can go on Twitter. There are people that will still defend this project, even though it's went through the court system. They can't find sis. Nobody has any money. If you have the token, you're basically SOL. But people are like, people when it comes to these cryptos, yo, it's almost like religion. People get it in their head, and it doesn't matter what happens. It really just doesn't matter what happens. That's the play for 22 to get billions and bounce. Yeah, man. Big connect. Yo,
another joint that got people.
Big connect. Yo, Jerome definitely was wilding this week.
Yeah. White Jerome was acting wild as hell this week.
Yeah, he definitely was. Man. We go talk about a couple of things, man. One of the things that's interesting, right? Oh, that was another one there too.
Yeah. Got people in their feelings.
Yeah, USI Tech. I remember that too. I definitely remember that, man. Yep, Jamil said the same thing. USI Tech. Oh, yeah, y'all been around for a minute. He said Jabbar said they got him. Yeah, listen, ain't nothing wrong with getting got. Everybody gets got. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Shout out to everybody, you know, from all the MLMs.
Binance got me.
Who?
Binance.
Oh, Binance, they ain't scam you. That was you. You was just being repugnant, not responding to their messages.
I was just being, you know, I ain't gonna lie. I had about $1,000 worth of coin on there, but I was buying coins when they was with zeros on the back, and now some of these coins is like $10, $15, $20.
Yeah.
And so I'm pretty sure I got about 200K with them.
But here's the thing, though. Binance, like everybody knew what was happening with Binance. You ignored it. They told you, get your coins off here, because if you're a U.S. resident, you won't be able to.
Wow.
It is what it is, though, man.
I'm going to run up on them. Let me see if I can get my 200K off them. I still got the accounts. I just got to figure out how to get
they ain't give you that, dog. They CZ spending your money already, dog. Your money somewhere with the missing crypto queen, dog. Your money is somewhere. Yo, here's what's funny though, right? So I was, just reading some of the financial articles when I got back, and I'm looking at like what Jerome said, like GC brought up. But I was looking at this article here, with Ray Dalio, which I found funny, right? Because Ray Dalio is hot and cold as it pertains to crypto. Well, first off, one of the things that's most interesting though is the fact that every other article on like MSNBC and Yahoo Finance is about crypto. So people could say what they want to say about the space, but you can't even avoid it no more. There's more crypto articles on Yahoo Finance than it is stock articles. Crazy.
Yeah.
Anyway, Ray Dalio says it's very impressive that cryptocurrency has held up for a decade. So that's his new thing, right? Before he said he had bought some Bitcoin. Now he says he has a little bit of Ethereum. But he's shocked that it's built up. But he still doesn't know like what he's talking about half the time. Because he said that Bitcoin will be outlawed. Even though he bought some, he said that's what he fears, that it'll be outlawed. So he doesn't even understand how it works. That's one.
Yeah.
But one thing.
Anyway,
go
you
ahead,
can't outlaw an algorithm. You just can't do that. And then you can't outlaw the biggest computer network in the world. You just like, what are you talking about?
All right, but here's the thing, right? There's one of the things he said which was interesting. Like, he's big on diversification. That's one of his investing strategies. It's one of the things that separates Ray Dalio from a lot of other investors. He's been talking about diversification forever. And now he's added crypto to it. He won't say how much, but he said he's added it. One of these quotes right here. No system of government, no economic system, no currency, and no empire lasts forever. Yet almost everyone is surprised and ruined when they fail. That's a crazy quote, right? Because he's looking at history. He's looking at what happens over time. So a lot of times when you talk about the dollar and you talk about what could happen to the dollar, people can't see it happening because it's the only thing they know. But they refuse to understand history. Why is that, bro?
People would rather be wrong and be in misery than just follow the history of stuff, right? So like people miserable as hell, right? So they would rather be wrong and be like, oh, and then be what? Like they would rather be me, right? Because I was like, Binance ain't taking my damn coins, and then they took my coins, right? So people
learn from Corey. Don't be Corey.
Yeah, be better than me, right? Like, and so if every other financial system in the history of the world has gone to zero, what makes you think the dollar not going to zero? The dollar's going to zero.
Yeah, man. So Jamil says, anybody get some of that Mount Gox bread back? Nah, not as of yet.
No, some people did.
Hey, LaFemme, what's going on? I thought they didn't give nobody nothing back yet. Not the ones that went to court. Once it was officially over, they still been in.
No, not court. Not the people who went to court.
So shouldn't you be on vacay? Listen, I just got back. We already back to business though. They got back today, but we already back on. You know what I'm saying? So, I had to get back and chop it up with everybody. I missed you guys. Although I was here last Friday. I laughed last Friday. So, but I like talking to our folks. So, Jabbar says, blind faith to truth. And I think that's true. But here's what it is. The unknown is uncomfortable. People would prefer to stay in the misery of discomfort than to venture into something new.
Now,
that's a quote. That's
a dope quote, but it's not the unknown.
Well, it is the unknown to them. All they know is one thing, right? All they know is one thing. It's almost like not to get too political. It's like with race relations. It's almost like if you ever meet someone who's like truly a racist, right? Most of the time they don't even know anybody from a different culture than the culture they represent. Right? So their whole thing is based off the unknown. It's really ignorance. But the thing is, a lot of the stuff we're talking about, the text has been written. History will show you this.
Every history book in the history of the world.
Well, then again, how many of our people actually know the history, though, of anything?
Yeah, people stupid as hell.
And people study history in general.
People are just generally, our audience is smart. In general, people are dumb as hell.
Yeah, we generalize them, but yeah. I could tell it's going to rain, but they have cute outfit on. Nothing going to stop them from wearing suede. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, that's true. Hey, LaFemme, I appreciate that. Matter of fact, I'm about to put this in my story real quick. Let y'all know while we on live. You know what I'm saying? I'm getting compliments from LaFemme. I'm feeling, I mean, you know what I mean? I ain't gonna lie to you. That feeling good. She said that. You know what I mean? Shout out to you, LaFemme. All right, man. Y'all gotta chill now, man. Y'all Jose.
Boy,
Yeah, it felt better coming from the film though. Anyway, with that being said, though, listen. Here's another article, right? Talking about history, right? This is an interview that was done with Kraken. Yeah, everybody's familiar with for those in crypto. I've used the exchange Kraken before. So their CEO was giving a talk today, and he was wilding. Hey, yo, Jabbar, you know what, Jabbar? I always forget that Jabbar, you are Jamaican though. I
yeah,
forgot you were Jamaican, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, Jabbar,
right off the island.
what part of Jamaica is your family from? You don't mind me asking, but I forgot you are from there. But let me share this real quick. The CEO of Kraken,
Yeah,
he was
boy was
talking about his
wild.
predictions. He was talking about his predictions for 2022. He says the dollar will hit zero with Bitcoin below 40K. So he thinks Bitcoins have a nice pullback in 2022. He's still long Bitcoin. He thinks that it's actually going to be the best buying opportunity next year. So get your bread ready. But here's here's what I found interesting, right? He says maybe I should stop making predictions. I'm going to say the dollar is going to zero. You should start stocking up on gasoline and milk right now. If you can prepay your healthcare and tuition bills, you should probably do that right now. Right? Oh, this is what Powell said, right? So he's talking about Bitcoin falling below 40K. And let me show you what he says about that. Anything under 40K is a buying opportunity. Right. I was personally buying when it dipped back close to 30K a few months ago. A lot of people have some dry powder on the sidelines just waiting to come back in at rock bottom prices. Now, I get it, right? Here's the one thing that the Bull Powell said that kind of like was weird to me. He says, like, so use your money and stock up on certain things and then prepay certain things, but then buy when Bitcoin falls. I'm like, but if you use all your money to prepay and buy certain things,
You ain't gonna have no money to buy when you know what I mean?
yeah, like yeah. So that's kind of wild. But
Yeah, right.
what do you think about him saying? Because I've seen other people say this too. It's time to start stocking up on things. You bought it. You bought it at part of that life.
Man, listen, I'm not prepaying a damn thing. Cause my whole thing about prepaying is if I prepay, even if I want the whole, if I prepay it, I'm paying the whole thing. Like I'm not if I still got payments left, there will be no prepayment. I'm not doing that. It doesn't make any sense.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, I'm not. So I'd rather keep my money in the holster and ride it out. I'm not prepaying something that I still got payments on. I'm
Yeah,
just never
yeah.
going to do that.
So Jamil says, until you use stamps, soap, noodles, coffee, and tobacco as currency, most folks can't fathom alternative currencies. Oh, and he said, how is the dollar going to go to zero? Dude is just yapping. He is, but he isn't, right? So he is yapping. He might be crazy, but here's the one thing. And shout out to our brother Diamond Dave. I learned this from him. He said the thing about making these crazy predictions like that, and
One
GC
time you're
said
gonna
it,
be right.
and GC said it right here. They say it's time to stock up every single year, right? They do, and you're right, semi right? Because what'll happen is eventually it can happen. The dollar can go to zero. But if you keep making a prediction, you're going to sound crazy most years. But then when it happens, guess what? People will call you a genius, right? They'll forget all the times you were wrong. All they're going to remember is the one time you were right because it's going to be such a big thing to happen. It's going to affect so many lives
And,
that you look like a genius.
and
They'll
you'll be on
ignore the
camera
15,
saying it.
they'll ignore the 15, 20 years you were wrong. They're going to say, damn, he knew. Yo, Robert Kiyosaki has been saying the dollar is going to zero for about a good 15 years now. Ever
For
since Rich
sure.
Dad Poor Dad was out, like after that, he got on this dollar going to zero thing. So if you continuously predict that, one day you're gonna be. It's almost like people that predict the market to go bear market, right? There's a bunch of people that predict the market to be a bear market, and they do it every year, and they look crazy most years, but then they right, and then everybody's like, "Oh, you're a genius."
Before they was right 1 out of 4 times, but we just had a 12-year bear run, 13-year bear run.
Mm-hmm.
More
Yeah,
than that. From
yeah,
2009 all the way to now. We've been in a in a bull run.
yeah, man. So yeah, so Jabbar is definitely royalty, by the way, Core. His grandfather was the prime minister of Jamaica with his great grandfather from Kingston. So Just let you know you're talking to royalty right there. That's all.
Well, man, listen. Long as when I call him, we talk about buyers, man.
Of course, they get them buyers ready. I'm going to stock up on toilet paper. I got left out last time going to Rite Aid, CVS, and Walgreens looking for damn toilet. They probably charge you over there. They got you too.
Yep.
So if the systems are going to shit, then why are we prepaying, right? Right. So I guess he's saying the value that you'll get out of paying now, you won't get when you pay later.
Yeah, because everything's going to cost more if you try to pay it later.
So everything will cost more. So what he's saying is basically that if you pay now, you're going to get the value.
You're going to get today's price.
You're going to get today's price. Yeah, you won't get tomorrow's price because the price of everything will be so much more that if you prepay now, you won't have to worry about that increase in price. Yeah, so that's kind of what he's saying there.
Yep. To tomorrow's price.
Because, yeah, definitely garner.
Yesterday's price is not today's price. That's basically what he's trying to say.
Jamil says stocking up is a good marketing campaign in between holidays. Yeah, that's true too. That's also true. Name all the things you could buy with $1. It used to be way more. 1 gallon of gas I was driving when it was 87 cents. What's crazy about that is when I was just in Jamaica, I was looking at their price of gas. Yo, they're paying like $6 a gallon.
What? Yeah, that's why everybody riding around on horses. I'm just messing.
They're paying like $6 a gallon. Crazy. So always going to answer your call, Corey. He got them buyers lined up. Don't even worry about that. Is there a platform that will let you paper trade crypto? Great question. I don't know.
Crypto. Oh, damn.
Yeah, paper trade. Anybody out there watching know?
Not that I know of.
Platform? I know it was one called Blockfolio in the past, but I think they rechanged their whole business now. I'm not sure if they still do. That's a good question, though.
Yeah, that's a hell of a question because I had
Christine, I know I can find an answer from. I don't personally know because I don't paper trade crypto, but if you shoot us an inbox, at Buy the Hood anywhere, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, OnlyFans, like at Buy the Hood, shoot us an inbox, and I'm gonna find out for you. Because I'm pretty sure there has to be one out there. If not, there's something for you guys to go create one. Because I mean, there's a need for that. But I'm not off the top of my head. I'm not sure. Does Webull does paper trading accounts, and Webull does the crypto. Does Webull allow crypto paper trading accounts?
I don't know. I haven't been on Webull.
Yeah, so I'm not even sure. Yeah,
ever since I got my free stuff in them, I haven't used those accounts.
you went through KYC to get 2 Ford shares. That's what they was giving out, a bunch of Ford shares.
No, bro, I got Levi shares. My Jones was $7 when I bought them. I don't know what Levi's is now, but them Jones is doing all right.
I have no idea what it is right now. Oh, Dominican O is in the building. What's good? The job's Christmas party. Hey, listen, man. Appreciate you.
What it is, though, Rock.
Yeah. Hey, Christine, listen, there's nothing. You're doing the right thing, right? That's the best thing you could do is like to practice. Listen, you caught that? You caught that? Yeah. Just joking with everybody, but yeah, man. So make sure you be careful out there with those ish coins. We just showed you what happens to those coins.
Yeah, man. Them Jones get ate up over time, man. Like Jim said, 95% of these projects is ass.
Yeah. So and that's why you really, really got to be careful about like some of these crazy projects. I get that whole chasing you're chasing waterfalls, but you're really chasing.
The whole thing is if you got traffic and you got infrastructure built and you also got traffic, infrastructure, and you got lots of projects on your joint, then there's a chance you'll be around for a little while. Now, it's not to say you'll be around forever, but for right now, you know what I mean? Like there's a good chance, if other projects is linking into your project, you're going to be around for a while. So things like Tezos are going to be around for a little while. People will link up with them. Wax just got some new stuff in there. Algo has lots of projects. Matic Polygon, lots of projects. So not to say that, and Ethereum has, the EOS ecosystem. You know what I mean? Like, so there's projects out there that in ecosystems out there to make money on. It's just that you have to tap in. And you really got to know what, like, what kind of volume, what kind of traffic are these things getting? Because if it don't got no traffic, eventually it's going to die.
All right, so Christine, here we go. Got an answer already. See, that's why I love our folks, man. Shout out to Mario, our DCG brother, who points out that TradingView has a paper trading function for crypto. He's never used it himself, but he knows people in DCG who use it.
There you
Shout out
go.
to everybody in DCG. Jabbar, man, you got to get in DCG. Jabbar, you'd be perfect for DCG, man, because that's where that's graduate level crypto.
Yeah, man.
Jabbar, the funny thing about that is you could use OnlyFans for a lot of things, but the negative well, I shouldn't say negative because it's not really a negative connotation. Like I'm all for shout out to all the sex workers out there, especially if you watch that, shout out to y'all. But that's the connotation that comes with OnlyFans now. They try to kind of get themselves off that, but nah, it is what it is. So just dollar cost average. Dollar cost average, you know how I feel about that.
Yep.
All right, here we go. Jamil with another one. So Christine, if you're still watching, we got TradingView. CryptoParrot.com is another one. So we got Crypto Parrot and TradingView. So we got two for you right there. Yeah, appreciate that. I appreciate that, man. Made it back. So you saw my story on IG, man. Listen, man. You know, he's referring to my story on IG because, you know, I was in first class and they had the little pods, and I got to watch the undesirables walk by me. They do their walk of shame.
Yo, I hate you for that. Undesirable.
I watch the undesirables do the walk of shame going by me, and I, you know, listen. I told you that's part of the reason why I fly first class. I'm not even gonna lie to you, man. It's the honor Rosa Parks, man. I get to watch the pale face undesirables walk by. They be mad, upset, wondering why I'm up here, and they gotta go all the way to the back. So you know, I record them in their faces. But you know, shout out to LA, man. I appreciate you, bro.
Man is a project that got some traction.
It sounds like a hip hop group like Ren and 10. He said Ren and Tell. All right, so here's the thing. I made some bread off of Ren already. When it was very, very low before it got put on Gemini and Coinbase. Haven't really looked at the project since then. Tell, I was sitting on so much Tell. Remember, Corey, during the summer, I had like 80,000 Tell, something stupid.
Something dumb.
It took a slight move up. I sold it all. Haven't looked at it again. But when I bought the Tell, what I do remember about buying the Tell, just as a trade. Again, I don't buy none of these things long term. Only thing I buy long term is Bitcoin. I did it on Polygon. And that was one of the reasons why I accumulated so much because I wasn't paying that gas. Haven't really looked at any development to see what they're doing with the projects. You know what I'm saying?
I heard the projects doing is pretty well. I don't know where they stand with that.
How do I get on the Facebook Live Club? Listen, I have no idea.
Yeah.
Okay, let me see. Never mind. I forgot. She said trading. Got you. Just joined DC. Oh, Rock, welcome. Listen, Rock, the only thing I'll say, I just talked to our young brother Kareem. I just got the phone with him right before I came on here. And I'm going to tell you the same thing I told him. Stay plugged in. When you first join DCG, it can be overwhelming because there's so much amazing info. But if you stay plugged in, within a couple months, you'll know more than 95% of the people in the world. Bottom line. And I stand by that. So, but congratulations, because we are definitely members of the mastermind. All right, so there we go. So, Christine, you taken care of. You got him. You got all the gifts. Hey, Mark, man. Yeah, that's the undesirables. Oh, yeah, they definitely be big mad, Latoya. You know they be big mad.
Bigly.
Oh, man. Yeah, I'll definitely be out here. And Latoya, I don't know if you saw my post. I tagged you, though, but shout out to you. Because of you, I'm no longer using paper straws. I got my own. Matter of fact, I got them right here. I'll show y'all too. I did the post. You know what I'm saying? Latoya told me, she said, "Yo, why are you playing yourself? Get your own personal straw you could travel with." So I got.
Bro, the first person I ever seen get metal straws is my son. When he went to Europe and he was over there for 3 weeks, he hated paper straws so much. When he got back, that's the first thing he bought.
My son. So why are you playing yourself? And I definitely. When she told me, I was over there. I ordered them right there. That's an amazing thing. I'm on Amazon. I'm got my phone. I was like, yo, by the time I get home, I got my middle straws waiting for me. That's 2021 is amazing. I just picked up my phone, pressed a couple buttons, and my package is waiting for me when I get home. It beat me here. How amazing is that? Yo, and shout out to CJ too, your son. Your son be on the road. He be on them birds getting to different countries.
Yeah, he gonna be out. He gonna be in
Yeah, your son seen more of the world by his age than I ever would have.
Where he gonna be this year? He going to Morocco and Portugal. He's going to Portugal. Remember, we had him speaking. We was taking him to learn Portuguese when he was in
Yeah.
as a second language.
Hey, listen,
So
man. I was once told if you're not jealous of the next generation, then you fail. So he's supposed to be doing those things. That's what he's
yeah, for
supposed to be
sure.
doing. All right, here's another one for you, Christine. Another one for you. Coin Sutra. Cookie, thank you so much. Coin Sutra is another one for you. Oh, you talk about with us? Listen, Jabbar, if you want to come on next Friday, pull up.
Yeah, just say the word. All you gotta do is pull up.
Yeah. Move one, but I'm plugged in. All right, no doubt. You can order water. You can order anything on Amazon, yo.
Yeah.
Welcome to the club. Listen, I had to give you a shout out because you told me. It says, damn, can I jump in his? Yeah. His son is doing, yeah. Listen, man, CJ out here getting to it. My son been on 6 cruises before he was. Listen, what y'all doing with y'all kids? Y'all supposed to be doing, man. So shout out to all y'all because that's what y'all supposed to be doing.
Yeah, man.
Y'all ain't doing nothing wrong. That's what you're supposed to be doing. You're supposed to give them experiences you ain't had.
When I'm saying I'm broke though, you know, I don't want to hear nothing about how much money I'm supposed to have.
All right, something I'm gonna share with y'all. You know, I love to share. So he still wants to know, can he hide him in his bag when he go to Portugal and all that.
If
all right, so quick thing, right? So when it comes to talking about money, when it comes to talking about assets, you know, our book, Own Your Time and Space, right, says it all. The conversation that led to that book was talking about the value of owning your time, but also owning the space around you. That space has kind of evolved, right? So probably time for part 2 because now the space can include the metaverse because that's still space, right? So own your time and space, but time is still the most important part of that because when you look at any kind of asset, what we're talking about is time. When someone goes and accumulates money, whether that's working, trading, whatever it is they do, what they're buying and what they're getting is time. Money is time, right? So I want to share this website with you guys. It talks about how to store time, right? And let me just share it with you and let you guys tell me what you think about it. So this compares Bitcoin to the dollar and shows 1 day of work traded for money. So if I go back to 2013, right, and I take that dollar and I store it in Bitcoin, right, that 1 day of work is now worth about 400 days of work.
Damn.
So, and it kind of breaks down how, the math and all that on here. This website is storeoftime.com. But let's just say you came across it in 2016. 1 day of work in US money, if you store it in Bitcoin, is worth 93 days of work.
Woo.
If you came across it in 2017, a day of work in the dollar is worth 40, put in Bitcoin is worth 41 days now. Let's say you just got in 2019. Still 11 days of work. Right? If you just started right before the pandemic in 2020, that money in Bitcoin is worth 6 days of work.
So literally, if you take one part of your paycheck every week and put it in Bitcoin, basically you could have stored 365 days worth of your work in 90 days? In 90 days, you could have basically stored your whole year's paycheck in Bitcoin.
So Pastor says money is not time. You can get money back and lose it. Time is going forever. That's true, but money is energy, right? And in fact, that energy can give you time. So because the fact of the matter is we need resources in order to live. By having that value, whatever you want to say that value is, whether you're storing it in the US dollar or Bitcoin, whatever you're storing it in, it gives you time freedom, which is kind of what we're saying. So time is more valuable, obviously, but money will give you that time. But the thing is this, though, in looking at that, here's what's interesting. When you look at the CPI, the Consumer Price Index, and they talk about the rate of inflation and things like that, they don't include things like housing. It's a lot of things not included in that. And I was looking at some data about a couple weeks ago, and it was talking about the average price. Now, granted, it's higher some places, lower other places. But the average price, right, the mean, is about like 25% when it comes to like properties. So imagine wanting to buy a property today and you say, I'm going to hold. And what you find a lot of times is I know people right now who are still holding from 2008. I'm going to wait till the market crash again. But by the time the market crashes, you're going to pay so much more for that property because of inflation. But getting back to the point, if it's 25% right now, I don't think it'll hold up 25% this year, 25% next year, 25. But let's just say it did. That means that in 4 years, whatever you were going to pay for that property in 2021 is going to cost you double. Right? Now, if you look at Bitcoin or any cryptocurrency that you want to look at that is going the opposite of inflation, things actually become cheaper over time. And that's kind of what's illustrated there too. Things literally become cheaper over time because as that stuff that increases in value, the dollar goes down, things become cheaper. So imagine now you putting your savings, and this is not investment advice, but putting your savings into Bitcoin within 4 to 5 years, your property will cost less than half of what it costs today. That's kind of what that's showing you. I mean, that's some powerful stuff right there. Yeah. Listen, Jabbar, I'm just showing the data. It's just data. It's not, Yeah, man. Dawn, what's up, Dawn?
What it is, though. What's really good.
Yeah, Jamil breaks all that down at the bottom. It get like in the fine print, it breaks everything down. Yeah, so it actually talks about the CPI in here too. It talks about how the CPI is affected. So yeah, that website is storeoftime.com, but it does though. You better read the bottom of it. Let's see. Opportunity cost often loses more money than actually taking the risk. This is true. Dawn, we talking about all kinds of stuff. Dawn, we talking about metal straws. We talking about Jabbar in the comments is the Prince of Jamaica that we didn't know. We talking about time, value of money, how to paper trade crypto. We all over the place, but we just having a conversation. So, but welcome nonetheless. Yeah, man. So those things are interesting though. And shout out to I want to give Pastor a special shout out. And that's Pastor for those that are not in our MDC mastermind, right? Pastor today, I'm sitting there talking to him on the Discord, right? And he's telling me in real time, yeah, I'm getting ready to take this trade today. I'm gonna be in it for a couple minutes. And I'm so busy talking to him, trying to understand his logic. I missed the whole trade. My man Pastor would have made $1,000 in 9 minutes.
Yeah, he did.
And he does this on Friday. My man Pastor really goes out there in the market every Friday and gets $1,000 paycheck like he worked 40 hours. When he just did it for 9 minutes. And I'm sitting here and I watched it live. I literally watched it happen live.
Yeah.
And I'm too busy. I'm so busy talking to him that I didn't take a trade. And by the time I took the trade, it was already jumped. I'm like, I'm not going to chase it. Yo. So I want to shout out Pastor, man, because for those that were in that Discord and follow him, my guy made $1,000 in 9 minutes. When you start to see people do stuff like that, you wonder, like, is this whole thing a lie? There's folks that went out there this week and worked 44 hours.
And they get $1,000.
And they get a take home of $1,000. And Pastor did it in 9 minutes. Yo, shout out to Pastor.
Not only did he do it in 9 minutes, he gave the trade when he was going in, and then posted it when we was done.
And told you why. That's why I was too busy reading his logic on why. And I'm like, all right, so on the next candle, I'm sitting there going through it. And 9 minutes passed. My man made $1,000. I said, what the hell? All right, next week, I'm just listening to Pastor, man.
Yeah. And then the thing is, he's been doing it for multiple weeks.
Oh, y'all crazy. He says, that's why I should be coming to late. I feel like I walked in the middle of a complex quantum physics class. Nah, it ain't really complex. We all over the place, though. You know how we get down. Like we all over the place on Friday. We just having fun, but
we shooting the shit right now.
A couple things though I do want to mention, but I just want to shout out Pastor again. Anybody in the NDC, if you don't know what I'm talking about, go in the Discord and read the chat, and you'll see what Pastor called the play out. You'll see when he got in. You'll see when he got out of the play, and you'll see how much he made. It was brilliant. I was like, wow, that was just fire. Back when I wanted to stop impulse purchases, I would equate the purchase dollar amount to how many hours I have to work to cover it. Yeah, that's kind of how I felt when I remember I got my first job, and I'm old, y'all. So when I got my first job, I was making $4.25 an hour, and I remember getting my first paycheck, and I remember how hard I worked for that paycheck. And I want him to apologize to my mom for asking her about me all them crazy sneaks. Because I was like, I get it now. I mean, you told me no anyway, but I get it now. Like, I get it. Because when you start to do what Pastor just said, you look at everything crazy. But I'm talking about when you start to make money where you don't physically have to exchange time, whether that's through, we're talking crypto, farming, staking, whether that's through dividend stocks. When I just saw Pastor make one trade on on a paper asset today and make $1,000 in 9 minutes, I feel like the whole system is a lie. All right, so let's see what Jamil says here. They're talking about passing a bill to switch the CPIA for the COLA increase for SSDI and SSA. 5.9% was managed from the go. That's crazy.
Damn.
Yo, I want to see that when it happens. Shout out to Nancy Pelosi too, right? Speaking of that though, Jamil, talking about passing bills. She's like, look, as long as we disclose, we're gonna be out here trading. And we already know how Nancy.
She ain't playing.
she
ain't BS with it.
All right, so shout out to Sakina. Sakina said that play was insane. She got in and got her change. Congratulations, Sakina. Yeah, pass ain't no joke.
Get that
All
money.
right, so Dawn, and for those that are in the Bodyhood University or MDC, I shared that I'm doing this test now. So I already dollar cost average Bitcoin through Swan Bitcoin every week. I got a special algorithm for Gemini. I do it every day, once a day, and now I'm doing it every hour. So I'm going to compare the three and see which ones ends up in the most. I'll have my results by the end of probably January because I want to do I'm doing a partial month now because I just started it last week. But I want to see what it does partially, and I could do the math to figure it out partially. So I'll probably have a short answer at the end of this month, but then I'm going to run it again January through February to see. So probably by the end of January. So January 1st to the end of January, I'm gonna run it again. I'm gonna do the actual numbers and see which one will make more. I'm assuming from what I'm looking at thus far, every half hour does add up a little bit more, right? It adds up a little bit more because Bitcoin's price is fluctuating like crazy. So think about it. When you buy it once a week, you're at that price that once a week. If you're buying it once a day, it's whatever time. Like so, mine is at noon, noon Eastern, whatever it is. Then every hour, Bitcoin could be going all kinds of stuff during the course of an hour. Yeah. So. Yeah, so it's interesting though. But I got you doing, I got you. The Amazon paycheck strategy is a real paycheck. That's why nobody will ever say I took the church money. Pastor said he don't need to steal from the church because he's running that play every Friday. Still can't find a way to buy Bitcoin with 0 KYC and not a 15% markup. Real grimy out here.
You ain't getting that 0 KYC without that markup, bro.
Yeah, you're gonna pay for the markup. Now
you're gonna pay that markup.
Because I even know people that will sell you their personal stash, but they still gonna mark it up. Yeah, but the thing is the markup worth it for you? And even if you buy it with KYC, there's a way to kind of run that through a mix too. So it depends upon what's your objective. Do you use price alerts when you DCA or just place limit orders? No, I place market orders at a specific time. So literally on the hour, I'm buying it every hour. So during the day, when I buy it once a day, I'm buying it at noon Eastern every day. And for my weekly, I'm buying it Friday. It's like Friday I think I got to set it like 4 p.m. or something like that. So it's whatever that time is, whatever the price is, I'm buying it, market at that, right there. The thing about my daily orders at noon is set for that time, but it is set at a limit order. That one specifically is set at a limit order because it's part of my strategy in getting it for free. I don't even pay for that trade. So the way the algorithm works is it'll set a limit. It'll see what the price is and set it like a limit order right between the bid and the ask in the mid. Not trying to confuse anybody, but to answer your question though, generally, Christine, it's about a day and time. Oh, listen, you can get in now. I got you. Like as soon as we get off here, I think you already got the account you need. Let's see what Pastor said. I started that hourly BTC purchase yesterday. Congratulations, man. So we out here stacking every hat. And by the way, for those in the MDC, I gave that class away, how to get free Bitcoin, and I showed 2 games. I got a third game. I got kind of the same thing. So I'm putting together another class for those in Bodyhood University as well as the MDC. I'm trying to figure out when to have the class. I wanted to have it either Tuesday or Wednesday. So I'm trying to figure out whether to have it this week leading up to Christmas or in between Christmas and New Year's. I'll figure it out though.
I think
But
you should give it away before Christmas because that's like a Christmas gift.
it is. It is. So that means it has to be next week then, because we have what, the 17th right now.
Yeah, we're a week
next
away.
Friday. Next Friday is Christmas Eve. Ain't nobody trying to be on here Friday, Christmas Eve. So maybe
you want to do it just do a live?
Nah, I want to make this specifically for Bodyhood University and the MDC.
So as a thank you for supporting us all year.
What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go over crypto banking, how to set up a bank. I'm gonna go over how to get the free stuff, how to set up wallets, all kinds of stuff, all different different tricks, and just provide that to everybody. So, and I got another game I want to show too. So I was trying to go through an exchange, and they're saying selling Tether for 1.05, and that's without their exchange fees. Selling Tether for 105? Nah.
Yeah, I don't know.
Nah. First of all, Tether for 105 is crazy because Tether, I think, is supposed to fluctuate between 98 and 102.
Yeah, 98 and 102. So I don't know what that was about.
That's wild. Go into the well, it depends upon what you're trying to buy Tether on. Are you buying Tether on an ETH chain? You buying Tether on a Chronos chain? Well, Tether's not on a Chronos chain. They got USDT and USDC. But Tether
USDT is Tether.
Yeah, I'm sorry, it is Tether. That's Tether? Yeah. All right. Yes. So USDT is Tether. Do they got USDT? I know they got USDC. All right, no, you're right. They do got Tether. They got Tether, USDT. They don't have DAI. I don't see DAI on Chronos. But Tether is also on Polygon. It's on Binance too. So where are you trying to get the Tether from? That's the one thing I guess. And what chain are you trying to get it on? That's the question. GC. So what chain are you trying to get it on? So Mark, which app website to use for that? For the hourly DCA?
Yeah, that's the hourly John.
Strike. So I'm pretty sure I sent you the link to set that up. You got it already. Quick side note: if you in crypto and you about to set up a new account, use somebody's affiliate code. Take all their money.
Right.
You're on a tax for the no KYC Tether. Oh yeah, yo, MoonPay and Pax will be taxing too anyway. So that means you probably were you using directly through MoonPay or Pax, or you trying to go through one of your wallet apps?
Yeah, man, they will tax you ungodly.
Because I'm anti going through wallet apps. I don't like to go through wallet apps to use MoonPay or Paxful. I think MoonPay is attached to trust. Yeah. No, don't do it that way. Just as a matter of fact, honestly, you can go to KuCoin or Sendex and no KYC and get Tether.
Yeah. All facts.
Now you're gonna have to send crypto into it to kind of like transfer. But yeah, use KuCoin. I don't mess with MoonPay at all.
Yeah, they will.
They try to KYC him. Yeah, but that's the one thing, and I know I'm probably in the minority on this, but when I have a wallet, like a trust wallet, right, a hot wallet, I don't, and if I don't KYC to get the wallet, I definitely am not going to KYC to use anything within that wallet.
Ever.
Or there's some issues with trust wallet. No, it was a glitch that made everybody rich. Fire. Nice. I bought my building OVR because of BTC. Congratulations.
Congrats.
Listen, man, I had so many ideas on experiences. I'm getting ready to go crazy in 2022 with the experiences. That's what 2022 is about.
Yeah, man.
I already told y'all the next wave in crypto anyway. Is the DAO. The DAO is the next wave in crypto. So I'm telling you that now. So when you see it happen, I already told you, the DAOs are about to become big. And so I'm working on experiences in DAO. I'm really investing in one DAO right now, but it's not really for the sake of the DAO price going up. It's to have control over what happens within the DAO.
Mm-hmm. Yep.
Yeah, most people aren't aware of like that platform yet. So, but they will. Besides KuCoin, Ascendex.
ASCENDX.
Yep. Yes.
Yep.
Decentralized autonomous organization. That's the next wave in crypto. You're gonna hear more about that as the next couple years. As people try to like create DAOs and people try to get in specific DAOs. That's the next wave. You know what I'm saying? When so we'll see legislation on that. So that's the next. Listen,
they're gonna have to legislate it because anything that helps the free people, they gotta legislate it so they can be less free.
Listen, man, being in DCG has its privileges. We always ahead of everybody else. And by the way, we got a DCG special too for the holidays. If you get the DCG, you get all our other stuff too. But listen, for those in the MDC and By the Hood University, just be on the lookout because I'm trying to figure out a date. It might be next week. Corey wants me to do the class next week, so I'm not sure it'll be Tuesday or Wednesday. Because I'm supposed to be at a TED Talk thing this week. I got to see what the date is. Hey Jabbar, man, what's up with my TED Talk too, Jabbar? By the way,
all right.
Because when I do my TED Talk, I might go wild out there and be the first one to get like my TED Talk banned from YouTube. So I got in one early, but the market doing what it's doing, I'm down holding at this moment. Oh, because Jason's already in one. Got you. That's dope. That's dope.
Super dope.
Yeah, Jabbar, what's up with my TED Talk, Jabbar? I'm supposed to be having my TED Talk, man. But I'm supposed to be at another one this week. I just got to see what day. I think that's Wednesday, Core. I'm not sure. I got to check on that.
Well, a TED Talk?
Yeah, man. Well, I told you about it, but what's his face? Ed that was on our podcast.
His joint got moved
to I think the 22nd, which is Wednesday, I think.
I thought it was January 22nd.
No, I'll check. Maybe it is January 22nd. Is January 22nd a Saturday?
Let me look.
I know it got moved from this Saturday, but I thought he said the 22nd as in next week. I'm not sure. Listen, Jabbar, you here next Friday, bro? Say less. You here next Friday with us? Yeah, man. So, yo, GC, the crazy part is people that got in real early, that's how a lot of them make their money now. Like a lot of folks now. Listen, Jabbar got a connect that will sell you Bitcoin with no KYC. He gonna tax you, but he gonna sell it to you. Though. Yeah, Jabbar, right in the comments. He got a connect that'll sell you Bitcoin, as much Bitcoin as you want to. No KYC.
Tell him to come holler at us, Dawn.
Oh yeah.
Tell him come holler at us. We got him.
All right, I'll get with you about yours. Y'all heard that, right? So Jabbar's put me on the stage for a TED Talk. I'm trying to think what my topic is. Yeah, what's that tax though? It's gonna be a tax. We can figure it out, GC, but it's definitely gonna be a tax.
Yeah, you gonna get taxed.
Yeah, stick up kids is out the tax. Listen, couple things though. Our most recent episode. Got you, bro. Got you. All right, our most recent episode of our podcast, man, is a very special one, man. We got our sister Dion on there. Dion is amazing, and her episode is amazing. The next two episodes of our podcast are crazy. And these next two, like we got two brilliant sisters. So Dion is on the one that's up there right now. Like, so then the next one coming, I don't even want to tell y'all, man. Y'all see, the next one is deep though. It's real deep. So that's fire. So our podcast moving into next year, I'm very excited about it. We got some big time guests too that supposed to be recording with. So look out for that. But make sure you check out Dion's episode and give Dion some feedback because she was very transparent, very honest. She's a member of our communities, MDC as well as By the Hood University. So that was pretty dope. So make sure you guys check that out. Let me see. I have ETH. I have to pay gas to move into my wallet.
Yes.
Question. Where is it at?
Yeah, for the most part, that answer is going to be yes.
Unless you do as suggested in the course. You was in the course too, Mark. I told you don't buy it on Coinbase. I told you where to buy ETH so you don't have to pay that gas fee to move it.
There's a couple places you can buy it where you won't have to pay those gas fees to move it. You can buy it on Gemini and you can buy it in Strike. Those two places you won't have to pay.
Strike doesn't sell ETH though.
Oh yeah. Well,
but I'm telling you, I told you in the class, where to buy ETH so you don't have to pay that fee to move it off. Anyway, my Bitcoin Connect was in Abu Dhabi with the kings of the country partying in the largest penthouse. So my Connect is always ready, but I don't think he'd do less than 10K. All right, there you go. So he'll sell it to you, but nothing less than 10K. Jabbar, speaking of that, I'm gonna get with you because I got somebody that's asked me for a huge order. Let's see. You didn't buy it on Coinbase, so I guess the question is, where is it at? I ain't trying to cop 10K. GC, here's what I'm gonna tell you, man. You'll eventually become a Bitcoiner because it happens to everybody. Everything leads back to Bitcoin. Plus, besides that, you could buy 10K of Bitcoin, right, off the record, and then you can go convert it to Algorand. If Algorand is that liquid, everything ain't that liquid like Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? This is why you won't find folks selling 10K Algorand because Algorand ain't Bitcoin. But that's either here nor there. It's the older real estate. Okay, got you.
Man, listen, what they pocket look like?
Let's go, Corey taxing everybody in 2022.
They're gonna get taxed heavy, but I'll do it.
Rich right here, aka Jeff Tezos, just admitted I'm a Bitcoiner again. Listen, all roads lead back to Bitcoin. It doesn't matter. So it doesn't matter whether it's now, whether it's 5 years, 3 years. All roads lead back to Bitcoin.
It's cool, GC. Listen,
that's okay, bro. I just want you to remember this because
once you go through the space and you figure out how you want to do stuff, I'm pretty sure.
Okay. No, I understand. Listen, I get it all. I get it all.
I'm not doubting your research. I'm pretty sure that you do research because you on here every week and you talking about the stuff.
Only time will tell. Only time will tell. But all roads lead back to Bitcoin, and it's for a reason. Because Bitcoin is doing something that nobody else is. Is solving an issue, right?
That none of the other ones can solve.
Not only that, Bitcoin Zay said something this week, and I was like, "You're right." He said, "Yo, a lot of these things are trying to do smart contracts or allow NFTs." He was like, "Yo, Bitcoin is trying to be the global reserve currency." He was like, "So just by proxy of what it's trying to solve or what it's trying to do, those markets aren't the same. Money or currency is $1 trillion market. It's the biggest market. So to get a fraction of that, nothing else really matters.
It's not a day, $1 trillion a day." Yeah, so everybody thinks the U.S. stock market is the biggest thing out there. The U.S. stock market is not even close to the Forex market. It's not even close.
Yeah,
the Forex market is the biggest market in the world.
You good then, Mark? You can move it off. It ain't gonna cost you nothing. Move it to your wallet. You get 10 free moves a month. That's the cheat code. So you did listen. So you good then. You good. Yeah. You good money.
Yeah, it won't cost you anything.
Yeah, we gave that gem away in the class, but you got it then. You good. Anyway, man, listen, man. So for those in the groups, because we're gonna be here too much longer. For those in the groups, make sure you check out when we're gonna have that class. It's a special holiday edition. We're gonna give away a master class for free. Everything from where to buy, how to set up a bank, how to get it for free, the games you can play to get sats, all that stuff. We're gonna bring it all to you. How to buy real life real estate with Bitcoin. You know what I'm saying? Because we got some real estate projects. Corey just sold something. I got 2 joints that I'm holding going down. Working on another property. I'm working on 2 projects. I keep telling y'all that for my first time in a new construction in 2022. I'm buying a piece. So I got all kinds of stuff going on. You guys will see. I'll share it with everybody. But the bottom line is, all of those things we'll discuss within that class. So make sure you take a look out for that class. I'm gonna see if I can get it this week. It all depends. But Corey, just give me whether January 22nd is Saturday.
I started looking, then I stopped. Let me go. Let me look at the
calendar. Because if January 22nd is a Saturday and it really is January 22nd, I'll try to do it this Wednesday. If I can't make it this Wednesday, that is unless Jabbar gets me booked for my TED Talk on January 22nd. I don't know what my TED Talk's supposed to be. It's up to Jabbar, y'all. All right. So Dawn says January 22nd is in fact a Saturday. So I'm gonna check with him. If he tells me that it's the 22nd of January for the joint I'm supposed to meet up with Ed with, then that means this Wednesday is free. And if this Wednesday is free, it's a go. It's a go.
Yep. It is a Saturday.
You know the funniest thing about this quote? I always remember this quote.
They're not making many more of it.
Was it Huckleberry Finn, right? I always remember this quote. And then I was laughing as like the sandbox and those things popped up. I was like, yeah, until the nerd said, hold my beer.
Metaverse.
That's a great. I just came with a meme, right? I got a meme right there.
Yep.
The nerd was like, okay, hold my beer. You know what I'm
Right.
saying? 22nd is a Saturday. All right, cool. So I'm gonna check with him. If that's the case, if Corey is right and it's not December 22nd, but January 22nd, we go this Wednesday, and it's only gonna be for people in NDC or if you're in Body Hood University, and you guys will be put on the Zoom with us. Ask your questions. We're gonna kick it like a family. We're gonna do a giveaway. We're gonna give away I got a Samsung Chromebook 4. I want to give away brand new, never open. A Google Home I want to give away brand new, never open. And the reason I like the Google Home is because you can ask the Google Home like, yo, what's the stock price or what's the crypto price? We're gonna give away some Bitcoin like we always do. Corey, we're gonna give away some Bitcoin right now before we get out of here?
For sure. I was about to say that.
It's the season. It's the season of giving. We've been doing this every week now, so we're gonna do it one more time before we get out of here. Let's do another giveaway, y'all. Y'all know how we get down on Friday. So anybody who wants into this quick giveaway, first of all, I always leave it up to Corey because y'all ain't gonna blame me. Y'all gonna blame him. How much we giving away? How many people?
$50. 2 people.
Two for 25, or we want to do 5 10s?
Nah, man, we're not doing no 5 10s, dog. 2 for 25. Put your ones in the comments.
Now watch the powers that be chop this one part of our video and make it sound like we're doing something else.
Whatever you want to do, whatever they want to do,
The black virtual mall. I'm not sure if I saw the black one. Send it to me. All right, Beyond is already. All right, so we getting a bunch of ones to come in.
Yeah.
All right, so you said 225s, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, let me go work on the wheel for a second. Some names on there. And we're going to get to it. Hey, Rich, man, you win every week, Rich. Although, listen, I ain't mad at Rich winning because the one thing I'll say about Rich is is giving his away. Like, Rich is blessing the streets and teaching them about financial literacy. So,
for
Rich
sure, man.
Dude. Let me see. We get the wheel. And we're going to get to it. Corey, you know I'm gonna need you to
also I want to do 2 precious metals courses too.
Okay.
2 precious metals courses and 2 because people need to see this. People need to see that precious metals course, man.
Oh yeah, people sleep on it. That's because most people don't understand precious metals. And the reason they don't understand precious metals is because they're looking at ROI and they're not understanding what precious metals is, which is cash, right? It's a store of value. I was thinking of that. I was watching this week. I was watching John Wick 3, right? And I told you how what would Raymond Reddington do. John Wick be on that is true. But John Wick is decentralized. My man John Wick got like random money stashed in like libraries across the country and in random places. But he always got his metals in there, which act as currency. And I was thinking about that watching it. Like, they don't understand that it's not necessarily an investment. It's more of a savings.
Yeah.
Anyway.
So Jabbar, I checked my text, dog. All I see is a crazy string of numbers. So I don't know what this string of numbers means, but
that's the offering. That's the number he offering you.
If he offered me this string of numbers, Jabbar got money I ain't know about.
Jabbar is a Prince of Jamaica, man. He just told you, man.
This is your Bitcoin wallet. What would you want me to do with this, Jabbar?
Oh no, he's saying that's probably his crow wallet. All right, hold on, real quick. Let's get back to the. Give me some names, Corey. Let's start with some names so I can add them to this wheel. As a matter of fact, let me just put the wheel on the screen so everybody can see. We in full transparency mode.
Started from the top.
We in full transparency mode. We starting from the beginning.
Jamil, Latoya, Dawn, Jabbar, Brianna, Dash, Sakina, Gregory, Chastity, Ashley, Jose, Jason, Rich, Antonio, Cookie, Dontre, Christine, Samuel. Who else? That's it.
All right, so y'all see the names. Let me know if I missed anybody. If I did, I'm blaming y'all because I'm letting y'all see it before I, give a couple minutes so y'all let me know. Hey, Brianna, listen, we try to. It's a holiday season. This is our way of, folks that rock with us is doing something.
Lisa and Mark.
Oh yeah, you got the text. Got you. You said Lisa and Mark.
Yeah.
Thanks, Dash. Appreciate that. And by the way, if you actually win the course and you want to give it away to somebody, we allow you to do that too.
Yeah. Show love to the people out here.
Pastor, tell them again, it's the only real money. Yeah, man. Listen. And I'll tell you, like I've actually flipped some stuff to move up to buy like bigger pieces of gold or what have you. So I was buying 10-ounce gold. I flipped them to then buy a ounce of gold, and the thing about it being liquid is crazy. I mean, I went to the specific site. They
Yeah.
sent me the number I agreed upon, sent it to them, and the money was in my account the next day. Anyway. All right, so we got Lisa. We love Black Santa. Mark is in there. So, all right, we good then, right? So, no more names.
Yeah, no more.
I'm going to read the names off.
We about to spin it up.
I'm going to read the names off, and then y'all let me know. So, I got Jamil Latoya, Dawn Jabbar, Brianna Dash, Sakina Gregory, Chastity Ashley, Jose Jason, Rich Antonio, Cookie Dontre, Christine, Samuel, Lisa, and Mark. If I'm missing anybody, I'm going to give y'all a good 15 seconds, and then we're off to the races core. What's the order of operations? We got two $25 Bitcoin that we're giving away, two precious metals courses.
Let's get a Bitcoin away first, and then the courses is worth more than a Bitcoin, so we're gonna do those.
Because the courses also include access to By the Hood University, and as you already just heard, we got a class coming up, and the class is a class that we generally would charge $500 for. We're gonna give it away for free, so just understand that the class that we're coming up with is an actual master class that we would generally charge for, but we're gonna do this for free, just for our folks. So, remember, if you give this course to someone or you keep it yourself, whatever it may be, if you're not in our university, you're not in our community, you do get it. And by the way, you have access to our community, and the people that are in our community are doing, like, we got people doing all kinds of amazing things. I be wanting to brag on y'all, but I don't want to put y'all out there sometimes. Because some of y'all really getting to the bag. I seen some of y'all post $1 million receipts, but I ain't want to put y'all out.
I ain't trying to put nobody business on Front Street, but we got some people in our joint that got $1 million receipts.
Yo, and now I'm gonna say this though. Now we got the Prince of Jamaica in there too, because Jabbar is in our university.
And he got $1 million receipts.
Listen, man. All right, so let's get the moving though. Let's do the first one. The first one is for $25 of Bitcoin, and let's go. And good luck to everybody. Cookie is the winner.
Okay.
All right, Cookie. Cookie, shoot me an inbox with your Cash App. And by the way, did you guys see Cash App this week? The announcement they made, they're letting you gift Bitcoin now to your family and friends. Did you guys see that?
Yeah.
And not only that, they're letting you gift stock and Bitcoin.
Yep.
So there's no excuses. You can actually just gift stock or Bitcoin.
Yeah, they opening up the floodgates. They just like whatever.
They got a whole chicken coop. Yeah. How do we know about the classes? I believe I'm already in by. I'm pretty sure you are, LaFemme. You were definitely. I think you are in Bada Hill University. If you got any of our courses before, you're
Yes,
in
we
Bada
in
Hill
there.
University. Because the thing about Bada Hill University is there's no monthly charge for Bada Hill University. If you have any of our courses, just a one-time thing, you're in. Our monthly masterminds include more than that, but obviously, if you just got one course, you're in BTHU. Cookie, all right. So Cookie, just make sure you shoot me that, and you got it. Yeah, like you said, stocks too. That's crazy. Like there's no excuse now. You
Yeah,
can literally give people this stuff. All right, so time for the next one. Julio, what's good? I'm back. I'm back, baby. All right, so this one, of course, another $25 Bitcoin, right?
Yep.
All right, let's get to it.
Lisa.
Whoa, Mark. Mark.
Mark is always next to the person
Mark
who
got
wins.
Susan Lucci again. Susan Lucci again. All right, Lisa.
We got Susan.
Lisa, and Colt Jam. Lisa, shoot either by the hood or myself personally a message, and you will get your $25 of Bitcoin. There you go. So make sure you shoot either me, personally, Jimmy Williams, a message or whatever. All right. And Mark said, I'm used to it. Yo, Mark, I don't know what to say, bro. Like, it's crazy. You see how close it came? Like, I have no idea why it always does it to you, man. Like, I don't know, man. All right. Now, we're giving away 2 courses. 2 of our precious metals courses are being given away. This also includes access to Bada Hill University, which is worth a lot. Because, first of all, in Bada Hill University right now, you have access to 49 options classes that are already in there. You have access to a business credit class. You got access to Lance, who's like who's giving away bread. Yo, hey Rich, you caught that? Rich, that's how you old like me, man. All right, so let's give away the first one right now. Christine, congratulations, Christine. Shoot me an inbox. Let me know what you want me to do. You got a free precious metals course to, gift to someone, which gives them access to the university, or whatever you want to do with it. But it's up to you. You got it. Keep it yourself. However, whatever you want to do, Christine, it's on you. So here's the matter of fact, Core. Let's do 2 more. We're giving away 3 precious metals course. 3 tickets to the Bada Hill University. We're giving away. So we got 2 more left. Right?
Santa Jimmy.
Listen, man, I love our folks, man. This is what we're doing.
For sure.
So here it is. Plus, I like the number 5 as opposed to the number 4. It just sounds weird to get 4 things away. Only way 5. Don Trey, same for you. You win a free precious metals course as well as access to By the Hood University. Shoot me in the inbox or shoot By the Hood inbox and let me know what you want to do with that. All right, so here's the last one. And go. Cool. You wear with numbers like that, or you don't care. Like if something's either like
none of that.
Yeah, I'd be like, yo, it gotta be 5 then. Like you can't be 4, it gotta be 5. Ashley. And Ashley wins the last one. So there we go. Congratulations to everyone who's won. Don Trey, Ashley, Lisa, all y'all. Congratulations.
Jose said he got
$20.
Whoa, let's go.
See, look, Jose showing up. Jose said he has $25 to give away. This is what it is, man. This is what it is. All right, so we're gonna do one more spin, Jose. Now watch Jose win.
Take Jose off here. Take him off.
All right. Yeah, matter of fact, I'm gonna leave him on just to make it. I want to see if it happens. Like,
no,
yeah, I mean, he can't win his hand. No, if he wins, we're gonna remove him then. But just to make the odds of everybody else a little crazy. All right, see, Brianna, you see me. We definitely family because we anti-paper. That's why I got the metal straws in now. No death to paper straws. And you funny with the numbers too. At least it ain't just me. All right, cool. Got you. So Jose, man, and shout out to Jose. For those who don't know, Jose is a published author. Make sure you get his book. It's an amazing book. Jose's book, like,
Glorious.
listen, it damn near brought me to tears, man. That first John, man, was like real heavy, man. So shout out to Jose, man, amazing writer. But he's giving away $25 of Bitcoin to our audience. So let's get back to that now. Let me pull the screen back up. Are y'all ready?
Let it go.
Let's see if Jose comes up.
Told you he was gonna win. Take him off, man.
He didn't.
Jason.
Jason won. I think Jason won like 2 other times. Jason about to have a bunch of Bitcoin on us.
Right.
But Jason,
He's not done.
what happened?
Pastor said he's going to do 2 more for $25 in Bitcoin.
Oh,
Let's go.
holy smokes. All right. So this is all right. I love where this is going. I love you guys, man. You guys are amazing. All right. So Jason wins $25 from Jose, by the way. So Jason, if you can, on Jose, you want to do it through Cash App? If so, Jason, drop your cash tag in the comments now. Have Jose send it to you directly, or shoot me a message. I'll make sure it happens. Either way. But we about to get to it though. Pastor said he got 2 more, so let's get 2 more.
Cookie's about put her name back on the wheel.
Come on, man. Hey, Rich, I bet you ain't giving this one away. Rich ain't giving this one away. Rich, you gonna keep this Bitcoin though, ain't you? So Rich wins the first one. Hold up. LaFemme, are you on the wheel? Did you ask to be in?
No, she won the course.
Oh, she already won the course. All right, got you. All right, about to say. All right, so we got 1 more left. And let's go. No, don't do it again. Don't do it again. All right, Marcus. All right.
I thought Mark was gonna get the Susan Lucci again.
I did too. I was about to say, yo, God, if that did happen, that would have been Mark's like 8th time, literally.
Getting the Lucci.
You know.
Oh, Jabbar.
Whoa.
Let's go.
Whoa. Hold up. We got one more. One more $25 to the people as well. Hold up. I gotta run this back. I can't keep track of all this, yo. But our brother Jabbar says he's got 25 for the people as well. So, one more. And listen, here's how we're going to end this. Jabbar's got 25. We're going to throw in one more course. That's going to make it an even 10. All right. And let's go. So, we got 2 more things to do. First, let's go with Jabbar's 25. I'm about to run this back to see who won everything. Make sure everybody gets
Yeah.
And that is going to LaToya.
Okay.
LaToya wins the $25 of Bitcoin from Jabbar. Yo, Jabbar, Jose, Pastor, man, y'all are amazing, man.
Y'all are.
Yeah, I love y'all brothers, man. Let's go one more course away for the road, which is also access to Body Hill University. Gotta make sure I say that. And that is going to Dash. Shoot me an inbox. Let me know what you want to do with that course. Make sure you shoot that inbox though. That's a clean 10 now. So we good money.
Make sure y'all, link up with each other. For the people who said they was giving away the Bitcoin, make sure you link up with the winner.
All right, so Dash, shoot me a message. LaToya, I got your cash tag already.
Or what y'all could do is shoot it to us, and then everybody shoot us a message.
Yeah. I mean, I could do it that way too. It's like for those, so for Jose, unless you already sent it, for Jose or Jabbar, you can send a cash app to.
Yeah, send it to us.
You can send it right to Buy the Hood, $ Buy the Hood, and we'll get it to everybody. So for everybody that won anything, do me a favor, shoot me personally an inbox. I'm gonna go down the checklist and make sure everybody gets their just due. Jabbar straight put his number up there. All right, so listen, just shoot me an inbox, either my personal one, Jimmy Williams. I got the Crash Punk as my logo, or Buy the Hood. Shoot us a message, and we want to make sure that everybody has what they need, man. Congratulations to everybody that won something. Salute to all of our brothers who stepped up and gave away as well. We in
Appreciate y'all, man.
the
That
spirit,
love
man.
is real.
Absolutely, man. Like this is part of like our community is dope. We all look out for each other. We share information with each other, and we give stuff to each other, man. So make sure you look out for that class because we're gonna do a bunch of giveaways in the class. We give away Bitcoin, computers, like you know what I mean. We definitely bring in our Santa bag. Just want to say, listen, we appreciate and love y'all so much. You guys are amazing. And we'll see y'all on Sunday for those already in Bodyhood University. And by the way, for those that got into Bodyhood University tonight, we have a class every Sunday where we actually talk strategy.
That's our MDC strategies.
Yeah. So we'll see you guys on Sunday in class. And then the future class coming up that we're doing a master class for free. So thank you guys so much. Check out the podcast. We got our sister is on this week, Dion. We got another sister, Coco, coming on, who shares a crazy story. She shares a crazy story. She put it like this. I'm gonna give you a little bit of her story right now, just before we leave. Let you know how crazy these last 2 episodes. Dion's story is amazing because she talks about literally being in thousands of dollars of debt and climbing her way out, and what it took for her to do that. And this is a sister who's right in our group doing amazing things. And so I want you guys to make sure you watch that story. Coco's story. Coco had 2 parents who were addicted to drugs, grew up in poverty. Now, she literally bought an entire city block. Not only did she buy an entire city block, she made close to $100,000 trading options in a 6-month period in 2020. She's out here killing it. And her circumstances that she came from were crazy. And she's very transparent and talks about it. So these last 2 episodes we got were some of my favorite episodes. So, I want you guys to make sure you check them out, though. But we appreciate you. We back here next Friday, which will be Christmas Eve. We'll be here for a short show on Christmas Eve. We might give away some stuff. Maybe we are going to give away some stuff on Christmas. Who are we not? We definitely will be. So make sure you're here next Friday because it's Christmas Eve, so we're definitely giving stuff away. But listen, man, love you guys so much. I can't say it enough. Thank you so much for just rocking with us and doing everything that you do. And we'll see y'all later. Peace.